young. When I find you,
The big bee stole my microwave. I accuse him, but the court just don't believe. He blew it up south of San Francisco and left it to wither in the middle of Tennessee. The country folk don't listen to me. I tell them I'm not happy. I can't cook my rice.
No, Susan, I haven't taken the recipe. Leave me alone.
Ovens so they understand. I can't radiate my mama without her. I miss my microwave. I miss it so bad. I miss my radiation. I can't miss my microwave and chili. I miss my micro baby. I miss that sweet release that I can't see. And when it goes beep, 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 the sheep tell me I'm insane. I tell them they're a little plain. Some salt and some pepper in that box. I eat them better than a fox. My cousin said I'm not sane, put in my plate. Here's my microwave. I miss my microwave. I miss it so bad. I miss my radiation. I can't eat my microwavable curry. I miss my microwave. I miss that sweetness of cancer. And when I'll do anything for that rumble. Anything I can't handle. Just for one more pot noodle.
I could really go for a pot noodle right now.
Mr. B, and watch your back, steal my wave again. I will have to stack. Take it from me, I don't like no type of cheese. I like the mushroom and chicken. I like my cancer digested. Sir, I got you a message. You and your henchman Avengers better not steal from my residence. I don't like taking my medicine. My microwave keeps me calm. I like it cause she's warm. She keeps me comfortable and educated. Tell me how long to wait for my food to be ready.
Shut your fucking mouth!
I miss my microwave. I miss it so bad. I miss my radiation. I can't eat them beautiful rice noodles. I miss my microwave. I miss that sweet hot risk of cancer radiating the love all throughout my family's suppers.
Children, the children are asking questions. Stop doing acid and come and tend to your children and your family.
No, Susan, I will not contend to my family. Who do you think I am anyway?
Make me a pot noodle!
No!